Orinda Motors, the affordable one-stop solution for service you can trust. This is Jennifer. Her car needs general auto maintenance and she lives in the San Francisco East Bay region. She's looking for an auto repair shop that is convenient, affordable, trustworthy, and can service everything on her vehicle. But there are so many auto repair shops between Oakland and Walnut Creek. She doesn't know which she should go to. Where can she find the best offers, great service, new tires, oil change service, car rentals, preventive maintenance for all her family vehicles, and even classic car restoration? There's a solution to Jennifer's problem: Orinda Motors. Orinda Motors is a Diamond certified, green business, AAA approved, ASE certified, affordable, one-stop solution for service she can trust. Here, Jennifer finds the best and most comprehensive auto service in the San Francisco East Bay region. Her car can be fully serviced by the Orinda Motors team. Orinda Motors offers general auto repair, oil changes, and tires for all modern vehicles. Orinda Auto Rental offers affordable rentals. Plus, Orinda Classic Car Center is known as the premier classic car restoration facility in Northern California that can service her father's vintage vehicles. Yep, Orinda Motors certainly has it all. Jennifer is amazed. Thanks to Orinda Motors, her search for a full-service auto repair facility is over. Orinda Motors is the perfect one-stop solution she's been looking for. She's thrilled she found a great auto repair team she can trust in Orinda. When you need auto repair for your foreign or domestic vehicles, plus oil change service, new tires, or a rental car, we invite you to www.orindamotors.com. You'll be glad you did.